The ultimate guide to making money with AI in 2025. No BS, just strategy. Introduction. Why AI is the new frontier for earning income. Artificial intelligence has become a transformative force in 2025, opening up huge opportunities to make money. But it's not a magical cash machine. There's no AI tool that just drops money into your account. Instead, AI is a productivity booster. It saves time, enhances your skills, reduces costs, and unlocks new possibilities. Think of AI as a tool, not a get-rich-quick hack. Success still requires strategy, effort, and delivering real value. This guide cuts through the hype and focuses on practical, proven strategies for using AI to generate income. We'll cover content creation, writing, video, and art enhanced by AI, automation and AI agents, workflows and bots that work for you. Investing and trading, AI-enhanced insights and algorithmic tools. SaaS and productization, building AI-powered products or services, and freelancing and consulting, selling AI-enhanced skills, affiliate marketing and sales funnels, scaling content and conversions, productivity using AI to free up time and monetize your efficiency. We'll also flag scams and overhyped trends to avoid. The focus, no fluff, just strategy that works in 2025. 1. AI-powered content creation, writing, video, and art. Writing with AI, blogs, copywriting, and books. AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic help brainstorm, draft, and polish text. Used wisely, they let you create more high-quality content in less time. Ways to earn: freelance writing, copywriting, deliver articles, product descriptions, or ad copy. AI helps you draft fast. Your job is editing and adding human voice. Blogging niche sites, build content-rich sites that attract traffic and earn from ads or affiliate links. AI accelerates SEO, article creation. Ebooks or courses, use AI to help draft books or learning materials, then sell them on platforms like Amazon KDP, Udemy, or Teachable. Action step: draft a 1,500 word blog post on a topic you know using ChatGPT. Edit with your voice and examples, then publish. Rinse and repeat to build a library that attracts readers and revenue. AI-generated video content, YouTube and beyond. AI makes video creation accessible without cameras or expensive gear. Tools like Pictory, InVideo, and Synthesia let you turn scripts into narrated videos with stock footage or avatars. Ways to earn: YouTube ad revenue, grow a faceless channel with consistent videos. Client services offer promo or explainer videos using AI production tools. Courses or stock media, package educational content or animations and sell them. Action step: write a short script with ChatGPT, generate a video using Pictory or Synthesia, and upload it to YouTube. Focus on consistency and niche topics to grow. Generative art and design. AI image tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and Stable Diffusion allow anyone to create stunning visuals. Ways to earn: print-on-demand products. Upload AI art to Etsy, Redbubble, or Printify and sell as posters, shirts, or stickers. Design services, use AI to generate concepts, then refine for clients, logos, book covers, social graphics. Digital assets, sell AI-generated templates, icons, or stock illustrations. Action step: generate 5 to 10 themed designs, stickers, posters, wallpapers, and upload them to a marketplace like Redbubble. Even a single sale teaches you the process of monetizing AI art. 2. Automation and AI agents. Let bots work for you. AI can automate repetitive work, freeing up time and even running parts of a business, and opportunities and automate your own business. Use chatbots to answer customer questions, AI tools to post content, or automated workflows to handle admin. AI assistants. Personal bots for emails, scheduling, and reporting. Save time. You can reinvest in revenue-generating tasks. Sell automation services, configure chatbots, autoresponders, or automated dashboards for local businesses. Charge a setup fee or subscription. Action step: identify one repetitive task, emails, data entry, reporting. Automate part of it with Zapier or Make.com and test. Once you master it, package that skill as a service for others. Okay. 3. Investing and trading with AI. AI can enhance trading and investing, but it's not a guaranteed moneymaker. Options: trading bots. Platforms like Trade Ideas, Stock Hero, or 3 Commas let you automate strategies. AI research tools. Use AI to summarize earnings reports, track sentiment, or flag market trends. Build sell trading strategies. Developers can package algorithms or publish insights as subscription newsletters. Action steps: start with paper trading, simulated trades, using an AI tool. Test strategies safely before risking real money. 4th, building AI products, SaaS, APIs, plugins. Turning AI into products is one of the highest leverage opportunities and paths. AI SaaS apps, Solve niche problems with AI, e.g. real estate listing writers, AI chatbots for small businesses. Plugins, extensions. Build small AI-powered tools for WordPress, Figma, or Chrome. Prompt packs, templates. Sell curated prompts, templates, or digital assets powered by AI. Action step. Write a one-paragraph product idea. Input arrow, AI arrow, output. Build a simple prototype using no-code tools like Bubble.io and OpenAI's API. Test demand before scaling. 5. Freelancing and AI consulting. Freelancing remains one of the fastest ways to turn AI skills into cash. Examples: writing, design, and video editing. Use AI to deliver faster. Marketing, social media, automate posts, ads, and analytics. AI consulting. Help small businesses adopt AI, chatbots, automation, lead funnels. Training, offer workshops on how to use AI tools effectively. Action step, update your freelance profile with an AI edge. E.g., I use AI to deliver content twice as fast without sacrificing quality. Apply for gigs where speed and efficiency matter. 6. Affiliate marketing and AI sales funnels. Affiliate marketing thrives on content and conversions. AI supercharges both. Strategies: use AI to rapidly generate SEO blogs, product reviews, and comparison posts. Create AI-powered chatbots on sites to recommend products with affiliate links. Automate lead magnets, AI-made ebooks, quizzes, and email sequences to nurture and convert subscribers. Action step: pick one product, write a review with ChatGPT, and publish it with an affiliate link. It won't make money immediately, but it's your first step into scaling with AI. 7. Productivity and services. AI also boosts productivity, which indirectly increases income. And ideas are automate invoicing, scheduling, or reporting to free up hours. Use AI analytics to prioritize tasks that earn the most. Package productivity hacks into templates, courses, or consulting services. Action step: try one productivity AI tool, Notion AI, Otter.ai, or Motion. Track how much time it saves. Use that free time to add a new income stream. 8. Avoiding scams and overhyped trends. Be wary of guaranteed profits from AI trading bots or courses, and avoid plagiarism or copyright issues with AI content. Focus on value, not hype. Gimmicks come and go, but quality and usefulness endure. Stay updated on platform policies, e.g., Google penalizes spammy AI sites, YouTube cracks down on low-quality channels. Conclusion: turning AI strategy into reality. AI in 2025 is like having a team of assistants if you use it right, but the money doesn't come from AI itself. It comes from solving real problems with AI as your tool. Start small, pick one or two strategies, and focus on execution. Track results, refine your approach, and grow step by step. Whether you're aiming for an extra $500 a month or building a full-time AI-powered business, the principles are the same. Deliver value, work smart, stay ethical, and adapt as the tools evolve. The AI revolution is here. The strategies are in your hands. Now go make it happen.